The construction sector is highly fragmented, with separate organizations taking responsibility for different phases of construction. Rationalization of these processes with off-site assembly of large, fully fitted components and mechanization of on-site activities, aided by new simulation, automation and guidance technologies, will be a route to a more efficient construction process. Perhaps the most important challenge is to reduce Europe's contribution to climate change and at the same time its dependence on imported energy, whilst continuing to improve the quality of life of all European citizens. Since the built environment accounts for over 40% of European energy consumption, there's an immediate requirement for enhanced energy efficiency in both new and existing buildings. Innovation is a must in this respect. The development of a knowledge-based industry requires new developments to be communicated to a multitude of firms and individuals in their own language. Technology transfer and training are a prerequisite to help the small and medium-sized enterprises in the sector to assimilate and apply the knowledge that they receive. The 23 ENBRI members employ well over 5,000 professional research staff who are committed to help meet this challenge. Young and old, we're all building. We build our dreams. We build our lives. We build houses. For young children, building is nothing but a pleasant game. Growing up, building gets more realistic, even if it is still a game. Construction and management manipulation games challenge players to build, expand or manage virtual communities or projects with limited resources. Games like this train the skills of the next generation of construction professionals. For them, it will be a small step from this virtual world to real construction projects. Already today, the virtual world is part of our real building environment. It's no game, it's reality for most architects and engineers. But also for contractors. The step to computer-aided assembling and positioning on site is small. They already use sophisticated ICT applications on the building site. This GPS 3D-controlled crane enhances security and precision and saves time and money. It's the future. It's today. A couple of decades ago, the building environment looked quite different. Look back to the site of the first post-war World Exhibition in Brussels in 1958. In the good old days, pouring concrete was a job performed by at least 7 people. Nowadays, we're reaching record heights of pumping concrete to 500 meters with the simple push of a button. In the future, we'll endeavor to build buildings higher and higher. Look at the Burj Dubai, reaching over 850 meters in height. The sky seems to be the limit. Where will this end? Dubai appears to be the place to be, with the foundation works for a 1,000-meter-high building already being prepared and plans completed for another quite futuristic, but nevertheless real example of a spectacular dynamic tower, constantly changing shape as the day passes on. Yes, surely it is the future. It is today. But not only is the sky the limit, there's plenty of space at the smaller end too, nanotechnology. Developments taking place at this end of the spectrum will ultimately lead to higher performance and more durable building materials. The future is closer than we think. The future is happening here and now, today. And ENBRI has the vision and the capabilities to be at the heart of it.